Some New Jersey school districts canceled classes for 3 days because of the blizzard. State law mandates at least 180 days of in-person instruction every school year. Now, several districts have to figure out how to make up the days. Christine Sloan has the story.
The Edison School District needs to make up for snow days, and the blizzard didn't help. Now parents tell us their 5-day spring break has been shortened by at least 2 days after the district nixed a day for a January snowstorm.
Do you have plans for spring break?
Yeah, we had some plans, but because we don't have enough time now, it's only 3 days, I think, so we have to just avoid those plans, and we have to stay home and do some usual things.
Yeah, they shouldn't take a day away from them. You know, it's not their fault that the weather, came crazy this year.
Sources tell CBS News New York the district is short 2 days and that it has to be made up with another spring break day or a holiday. The superintendent and school board not returning our calls, but a decision expected at the next board meeting. A look at the calendar shows limited choices, either another spring break day or having classes on either of these holidays. Eid, which commemorates the Muslim holy month of Ramadan, Good Friday, or Memorial Day.
They were to take a holiday like I don't know, Good Friday, Eid, or Memorial Day. Would you be okay with that?
Probably not. Yeah, it's probably best then to take it away from the spring break instead of a religious holiday.
Which one would you prefer?
Memorial Day will be good. Yeah.
Other districts like Metuchen are extending the school year to make up for losing 3 days to snow. Other districts facing similar situations. For instance, in Tenafly, they build an extra day into the calendar and warn parents it can be taken away. And the Union City Superintendent of Schools tells me that if they get another snow day next week, they'll have to somehow make up for it. In Edison, New Jersey, Christine Sloan, CBS News, New York.
Another superintendent tells us that the Berkeley Heights schools are out of snow days, too. And if there's another snow day next week, they'll have to start shortening spring break. Now, that's going to probably change some parents' travel plans.